Choosing the perfect vacation destination. Jake, we've both been working so hard lately. I think we really deserve a vacation.
I couldn't agree more. The only question is, where should we go?
Well, I want somewhere warm, relaxing, and beautiful.
Same here. We could visit Hawaii again. We loved it the last time.
Hawaii is amazing, but we've already been there twice.
What about the Maldives?
They look incredible, but they're almost on the other side of the world. The flights are really long.
That's true. Wait. What do you think about Bora Bora?
Bora Bora? Seriously? Isn't that one of the most beautiful islands in the world?
Exactly. Crystal clear water, overwater bungalows, white sandy beaches, and incredible sunsets.
Sounds unreal, but I bet it's expensive.
It is, but we've been saving money for a special trip. Maybe this is the perfect opportunity.
You're right!
So, should we start planning?
Absolutely! Planning the trip. I've always dreamed of staying in an overwater bungalow.
Same here.
We should stay for 1 week so we can relax without rushing.
Agreed. Let's compare resorts and find one with beautiful snorkeling nearby.
We should budget carefully because those bungalows can be expensive.
True. We can save money by booking flights early and traveling during a quieter season.
Good idea! Should we include breakfast with the room?
Yes. And maybe one special dinner overlooking the lagoon.
I'd love that. I also want to try paddleboarding and kayaking.
I want to book a lagoon tour too.
Perfect! Maybe we can visit local markets and taste traditional Polynesian food.
Great plan! Vacation shopping.
Wow, this store has everything we need for our trip.
Here's the sunscreen aisle. This brand is on sale.
SPF 50? Perfect! We'll be spending a lot of time in the sun.
Should we buy 1 bottle or 2?
2. It's cheaper to buy them here than on the island.
Good point.
I need a new sun hat. Mine is too old.
What do you think of this one?
It's cute, but it's $25.
How about this one? It looks almost the same, and it's only $14.
You're right. I'll take the cheaper one.
I need a pair of sunglasses. These ones look nice.
Try them on.
What do you think?
They look great, but they're a little expensive.
These are half the price, and they're just as comfortable.
Then those are the better choice. I also need a beach bag. This striped one looks great, and it's pretty cheap. I'll take it.
Oh, look, waterproof phone cases.
We definitely need some. We'll be taking pictures while we're snorkeling.
I'll grab these two then.
Perfect.
Let's check the swimsuit section now. I love this blue swimsuit. I'll definitely buy it.
I need a pair of flip-flops. These ones are lovely. They feel really soft. They're comfortable enough to wear all day.
These sandals are comfortable too. I think they'll be perfect for walking around the island.
Wonderful! We found everything we needed without buying unnecessary things. Packing for travel. Jake, have you packed your suitcase yet?
Not yet. Can you help me decide what to take?
Sure. Did you pack your passport?
Not yet. Good thing you reminded me. I almost forgot it. I'll pack it right now.
What about our flight tickets?
I have electronic tickets on my phone, but I'll print a copy just in case.
That's smart. Don't forget your travel insurance documents either.
I won't. Now, how many t-shirts should I pack?
5 should be enough for a 1-week vacation.
Okay, I'll also take 3 pairs of shorts.
Don't forget your swimsuit.
It's already packed. What about shoes?
1 pair of sneakers and 1 pair of flip-flops should be enough.
And 1 pair of sandals.
Okay. Did you pack your phone charger and power bank?
Yes, and I also packed my camera.
Great! I packed sunscreen, sunglasses, and our reusable water bottles.
Should we take some medicine?
I already packed painkillers, bandages, and motion sickness tablets.
Good thinking. We should also bring insect repellent.
It's already in the side pocket.
I think we're almost done.
Perfect! We packed only what we need, and our suitcases aren't too heavy.
Great! Now we're completely ready for our trip to Bora Bora.
At the airport. What's the first thing we need to do?
Let's find the check-in counter.
There it is! I'll get our passports ready. Good morning. May I see your passports, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, we have 2 suitcases. Please place them on the scale.
Are they under the weight limit?
Yes, both bags are within the allowed weight. Here's your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Which gate are we leaving from? Gate 24. Boarding begins at 9:45 a.m.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
On the plane. How long is this first flight?
About 3 hours. Then we'll have a short layover before our next flight.
I hope we have enough time to catch our connection.
We have almost 2 hours, so we should be fine.
Hello, would you like chicken or pasta for lunch?
Could you tell me what's served with the chicken?
Of course. The chicken comes with rice, steamed vegetables, a bread roll, a small salad, and chocolate cake for dessert.
That sounds good. I'll have the chicken, please.
Certainly. Here you are. And for you, sir?
What's in the pasta?
It's penne pasta with tomato sauce, grilled vegetables, and Parmesan cheese.
So it's a vegetarian meal. Then I'll have the chicken too.
Okay. Here you go. What would you like to drink?
Orange juice for me, please.
I'll have a sparkling water, please.
Would you like ice with your drinks?
Yes, please.
No ice for me, thank you. Checking in to an Overwater bungalow. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paradise Lagoon Resort.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We have a reservation under the name Miller.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Miller. Welcome to Bora Bora. Thank you. We're excited to be here. You're staying for 7 nights in one of our Overwater bungalows.
That's correct.
May I see your passports, please?
Certainly. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything is in order. Here are your key cards. Great! How do we get to the bungalow? Follow the wooden walkway to the end of the pier. Your bungalow is number 18. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Is Wi-Fi available in the bungalow?
Yes, the network name and password are printed on your welcome card. Wonderful! Thank you for all the information. You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Discovering their Overwater bungalow. Here we are, Bungalow 18.
I can't believe this is our home for the next week.
Go ahead. Open the door.
Wow! Look at the view! The lagoon is right outside our deck. The bungalow has a glass floor panel so you can watch tropical fish from inside the room.
That's amazing. I've never seen anything like this before.
The room is much bigger than I expected.
There's a king-size bed, a sofa, and a small dining table. And here's a minibar and a fridge.
Perfect.
The air conditioning is already on. That's nice after such a long journey.
Look at the bathroom. It has both a shower and a bathtub.
Yeah, it looks very nice. Wow, this view is unbelievable.
We even have our own ladder into the lagoon.
We can swim whenever we want.
Or just sit here and watch the sunset every evening.
I think this will be my favorite place.
Mine too. Exploring the resort and the island. We've unpacked everything. What should we do first?
I think we should explore the resort. According to the map, there's a private beach, a swimming pool, a spa, and 2 restaurants.
I'd also like to visit the local village. I want to see how people live here.
The receptionist said we can take the free shuttle boat.
Perfect. Before we leave, let's stop by the activity center.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. We'd like to know what activities are available this week.
We offer snorkeling tours, jet skiing, paddleboarding, shark and ray tours, sunset cruises, and hiking.
Which activity would you recommend for first-time visitors?
Definitely the lagoon snorkeling tour. You'll see colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, and sea turtles.
That sounds perfect. Is it available tomorrow morning?
Yes, it starts at 9 a.m. and lasts about 3 hours.
We'd like to book 2 spots, please.
Certainly. May I have your names, please?
We're Emma and Jake Miller.
Thank you. I've booked 2 spots for tomorrow's lagoon snorkeling tour.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you both have an amazing time.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.